Hi, I have Nortel phones. I don't want to change the phones. How can I upgrade?
Thank you for calling eMetrotel, the leader in green migration and unified communications. This is Emily speaking.
Thanks for providing this information. I will definitely give you my contact details, but before that, I want to know what is this Infinity One?
Absolutely. Infinity One is eMetrotel's unified collaboration app designed for modern business communications. With Infinity One, you can
So this is how I created an AI receptionist for a business, and it's a very easy process. For the sake of this video, I will be creating an AI receptionist for this business, which is eMetrotel. Let me give you an overview of how AI receptionist will work. In most of the business websites, we have that chatbot button which is similar to this. Now, this is not actually a chatbot, it's an omni-channel, but you get my point. When we create our new A receptionist for this email hotel, we can just simply replace that icon with the A receptionist, and when user will click on it, it will initiate a call between an agent and a user. So instead of traditional chatbot where user have to type to ask for the queries, now he can just have a call with the A agent, and A agent can figure out and give solutions to the problems via call in voice. So for that, first we will have to generate a prompt. So I will simply copy this website URL from here, go to Gemini and give him this prompt. Create me an AI receptionist prompt for retail AI using this website and only give me the prompt. Now Gemini has generated me this prompt. I will simply copy it and then go to this retailai.com website. You have to create an account. After creating an account, you will go to the dashboard and the dashboard looks like this. Once you are in the dashboard, you have to click on this create an agent, then go to the voice agent, then select the single prompt agent, start from blank and click on create. Then you have to paste the prompt here in the left section. I will not change any settings. You can explore the settings. I am going with the default values to not make this video more technical for you. Then after entering the prompt, you will go to this publish button, click on here and simply publish it. Now our A receptionist is ready and we will going to give it a test. We can test our agent here. I will simply click on it test. Hi, I have Nortel phones. I don't want to change the phones. How can I upgrade?
Thank you for calling eMetrotel, the leader in green migration and unified communications. This is Emily speaking. I understand you don't have phones and you'd prefer not to change your current setup. With eMetrotel, you can upgrade your communication system without needing to purchase new desk phones. Our UCX platform supports a wide range of endpoints, including soft phones and our Infinity One collaboration app, which lets you make calls, message, and video conference from your computer or mobile device. This means you can modernize your system using software-based phones or apps, keeping your workflow flexible and cost-effective. I'd be happy to have a specialist reach out to discuss your upgrade options in detail. May I have your name, company name, and the best email or phone number to contact you?
Thanks for providing this information. I will definitely give you my contact details, but before that, I want to know what is this Infinity One?
Absolutely. Infinity One is eMetrotel's unified collaboration app designed for modern business communications. With Infinity One, you can make and receive voice calls using your computer or mobile device, host and join video meetings, send instant messages and group chats, share files and collaborate in real time. It's ideal if you don't have physical phones, as it turns your PC, Mac, or smartphone into a powerful business phone and collaboration tool, all connected to your company's phone system. Infinity One works seamlessly with our UCX platform, so you get all the features of a traditional phone system plus advanced collaboration without any new hardware. Would you like a specialist to provide a demo or more details? If so, may I have your name, company, and preferred contact information?
I just have a last question. I'm really concerned about the privacy of the business. So how is e-material secure?
Thank you for your important question about security and privacy. eMetrotel takes business privacy and data security very seriously. Our UCX platform and Infinity One app use industry standard encryption protocols to protect your communications, both voice and messaging, whether you're on premises or in the cloud. Access controls, secure user authentication, and regular software updates help ensure your data stays private and protected from unauthorized access. Additionally, your business data is never shared with third parties, and you have full control over your system and user permissions. If you'd like, I can arrange for a specialist to provide detailed documentation on our security practices. Would you like to proceed with a follow-up? If so, may I have your name, company, and preferred contact information?
I have ended the call, and this was just a demo. We can definitely integrate it with any website, with any business. So this was a very quick tutorial of how you can have your own AI receptionist for the business. If you want a more detailed video about where I can also play with the settings and tell you how you can integrate it actually with your website, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to make another video on it. I hope you get something valuable out of this video. Thanks for watching.